Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the device off and clearing the area so you won't trap dust. Once done, soften the UV glue with low heat. Use a hairdryer or heat gun on low and move constantly to avoid hot spots. While the glue warms, apply a small suction cup near a corner and lift gently. Make a tiny gap so you can slide dental floss or a thin plastic pick underneath. Do this slowly. The goal is to separate adhesive without bending the screen. Once you have a gap, feed dental floss or a thin filament under the protector and use a steady sawing motion. This cuts the cured glue layer without stressing the glass. Make short passes and reheat each section for 10-15 seconds if the adhesive resists, because UV glue becomes more pliable with warmth. Meanwhile, keep a plastic pick in the gap to prevent resealing. Make sure to work around the perimeter evenly. Don't force a stubborn area. Repeat heat and floss cycles instead. After lifting the protector, clean residual UV glue with 90% IPA on a microfiber cloth, rubbing in small circular motions until the surface is clear. Make sure no fibers remain. Use compressed air or lens brush to remove particulates. Once clean and dry, inspect the glass closely. If you see chips or deep scratches, stop and consult a pro because replacing the display may be safer. Finally, position.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.